Guys, naka-encounter na ba kayo ng taong madaldal? Yung tipong alam nyong madaldal kayo pero may mas dadaldal pa pala sa inyo. Yung kung magkwento kala mo wala ng bukas, na mapapa-oo at hindi ka na lang talaga kapag sumasagot ka. Kung hindi pa, meet my pamangkin, Kian. Kung gaano siya kadaldal, ganito lang naman.
Know how high is the fan with the stairs? It's so fast. And then you can go to the Mercury.
How?
It's so fast kasi it's like 100 meters, so you can go like like that. It's like this.
It's like a bullet.
Yeah, it's like this. But then it would go like that. It would teleport like an Enderman, you know. They can teleport. You can even land on it. But when you land on the sun, it would start being hot, and then the temperature of
Englishero pa yan ah. At i-times 5 pa natin tong video niya na to. Iba talaga. Grabe guys, ang senaryo ko dito noon. Nanonood ako ng movie sa Loklok. Bigla siyang pumasok sa pinto. Tapos gusto niyang makinood. Bago kami manood, bigla na siyang nag-speak about planets. Una, nasa paanan ko pa siya. Tapos nakaupo sa akin. Hanggang sa nandito na sa mukha ko halos. Mind you guys, kapag nagkikwento siya, eye to eye talaga.
A few moments later.
Grabe guys, umabot ata kami ng mahigit 1 oras na siya lang nagsasalita. Ako yes, no, why, yeah, right, oh, really, na lang talaga. Kung gusto nyo guys ng forever na kausap, eto na, nahanap ko na, kausapin nyo to. Hindi na natapos yung usapan naming planets at black hole at mga planets na big and small. Sa totoo lang, mas may naiintindihan pa ako sa kanya kaysa sa science teacher ko nung elementary at high school. Grabe energy nito guys, hindi ko talaga kinikerry. At nagsabi na nga ako sa kanya dito nang inaantok na ako. Baka pwede bukas naman. Marunong makinig to guys, kaya tumayo siya agad. Talk tomorrow again, okay? Can you close the door?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Later when Alice done watching, you would go.
Okay. Bye-bye. Close the door, Kian, okay? Thank you. Grabe. May kilala ba kayong mas madaldal pa kaysa dyan? Ipakilala nyo nga sa pamangkin ko.